All professionally installed alarm systems include a backup battery in the main alarm panel. This battery provides power to the alarm in the case of a power cut. Alarm backup batteries are normally 12 volts and can be 2.1, 3.4 or 7.1 amperes. Please note all battery types are compatible with each other. For example, you can swap a 2.1 ampere with a 7.1 ampere, as long as there's enough physical space in the alarm. A backup battery should last between 8 to 12 hours, depending on the size of the battery and number of sensors on the system. An alarm battery should last for 4 years. If the battery is not replaced, it can cause problems, resulting in complete system failure. If you have a system with wireless sensors, all of these will have a small battery inside of them. A wireless sensor battery should be changed every 12 to 24 months, depending on how active the sensor is. Please note, for energy saving purposes, wireless sensors are only active when the alarm system is armed, hence why the red light won't actively flash when you walk around your property.